Today's mission, for some dumb reason, is going to be in the pouring rain, at least to start. We're going to meet up with a load of homies. Well, we'll see how many homies actually persevere. We're going to go deep and do some large exploration for an upcoming OMTM event. Should be good times, should be a little bit over our head. I think the bike should be quite appropriate for the terrain, and I'm not totally sure what to expect. Here we go. Hey, what do you guys think the odds are that this rain's gonna halt?
Close to 0. Yeah, it won't rain today.
Hey Ben, tell me about your bike.
It's built by Cameron Falconer, running 2.1s with fenders. My favorite bike.
What's that?
Oh, this thing? It's for blinding pedestrians. It's pretty much like a car headlight, small enough for a bike. I just didn't know how long we'd be out here for, so prepare for the worst case scenario. Hopefully that worked.
That was so fast.
That worked, man. That was awesome.
Hey, Dr. Ron.
Greetings.
Whose idea was this?
Good question. Are we to hot vegan chili stop yet? Is that what's coming up next? As long as we get there before 4, we're good to go.
Oh, cool. That's only 8 hours to go. This is Tom Bro-Bra right here with the local weather out here in Balls Deep. We've got a balmy 31 degrees and steady sleet precipitation, anticipation. Oh shit. Woo! Hey Ron, what cheese would you pair with Alex Bar?
With Alex Bar, probably something really nutty, gritty, and kind of funky. Like a dirty kind of wash rind. Something with a little funk to it. Maybe a ash rind goat's cheese. Maybe a vintage cloth wrapped bandaged cheddar. Something stinky, funky, gnarly. Something that's been buried in the yard for a while.
Now we got to backtrack because all the, you know. Probably have 520 vision right now. I can't see shit. Ron, how many gloves did you bring on this ride today?
Just 4. 2 down, 1 on, 1 to go.
Total burrito fail. I'm eating it, but I'm not enjoying it. And then there were 4.
Cheers.
Later, guys. Oh my god, that tastes delicious. That feels so good. Well, that was something. Holy cow. Been a while since I've spent that much time in the pouring rain with a bunch of my closest friends. Yeah, full spectrum on that one. Holy moly. Wet the whole
time, soaked to the bone. The weather jumped between highest was 43 and the lowest was 31. There was snow, there was everything. People kept dropping off like flies the whole time too. And the ride, by the numbers, 5 hours, 63 miles, and 5,738 feet of elevation. Y'all gotta hit this again. Oh my God, that tastes so good. Oh, hard players.